So, hello everybody. Uh, okay. So, Art Germ just messaged me or commented. Wait, I'm just replying to Art Germ's comment. So yeah, I'm going with the green one. Okay, so yeah, here we go. Nah. Yeah, I can play with this. So again, thank you for watching me in this fun-filled week of hibernation. So again, I'm coloring this Harley. Sorry, Poison Ivy. And thank you for voting which color I'll use. So anyway, the master has spoken. I'm gonna use green. Okay, the master Art Germ just commented and said it was green, so I'm gonna go for green. So I hope everyone who's watching, I hope you're just staying at home, you're safe, and you have food. So just be careful when you're going out, and just do something to keep yourself busy. Well, I'm keeping myself busy always. Although I have deadlines, I am itching to color this Poison Ivy of my friend Mark. So as always, I'm going to show you the beginning of my coloring, and will surprise you in a few hours when I'm done with this. And I hope I'll do justice with this great illustration of Mark. And again, thank you, Art Germ, for the comment. I really appreciate it. And I hope you and your family is safe. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Ay, nako, Charlie, lalo kang nagmata pa.
Charlie. Yeah. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and please bear with me for being kind of slow, but I hope I do a good job here later. So I have a quick question to you guys who's watching. Do you see this line? Do I have to remove it or not? Just leave your thoughts in the comment section if I'm gonna remove this line or just play around with it. Okay? So yeah, I'm nearly done with the base color. This is only the base color, so yeah. I'm just laying down the where the light would hit the skin. So in a few hours you'll see the finished product, and yeah, I hope it looks good. And again, stay safe, everyone. Just stay inside your house and watch Netflix or some show on TV, or maybe study or read the book. Just stay at home and keep safe. So yeah, again, will I remove this or not? It's a question, so you can answer me in the comment section if I'm gonna remove this or not. So yeah, I'm gonna play with it. I think it's off. Yeah. I separated the flats of this leg to this leg because later on I'll be adding a shadow here, because I want it to look like this is in front. Of course it's in front, but the effect of having this like a 3D effect. Okay, so I hope you get my what I'm trying to say, but I had to change the color of this one to this leg. See, it already popped out. Okay, so now I think it's done. The base color is done, and I saw something, so I need to adjust. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching my live video, and stay tuned in a few hours for the finish colors of Poison Ivy by my friend Mark. So again, stay safe and take care and just pray. So long.